I don't pay for these flights. I'm in Economical. This is not my tax bracket. And if you want to know how to fly this for free, keep watching. So this is Travel Hacking 101 crash course for everybody, okay? What is travel hacking? What the fuck is it? Travel hacking is basically using points and miles to pay for your vacations or your flights or the hotel. First off, what do you need for travel hacking, right? Probably lots of credit cards, but you just start with one, okay? Don't overthink it, just start with one. There's a strategy to go about it, like which one to apply for, the order you should apply to them, taking advantage of all their sign-up bonuses. That's going to be a huge chunk of your point collection. So it all starts with a credit card. If you don't want one and you don't want to sign up for one, it's going to be very, very hard for you to accumulate points. In order to transfer to travel partners, you're basically redeeming them. Let's not talk about redeeming. We're going to just talk about how to start, right? You need a credit card. You're going to go with your basics. The easiest card I could recommend at the top of my head is Chase Sapphire Preferred. That is probably a very easy card to fall back on and to accumulate points with, and to also redeem down the road. You have to pick the correct card, right? So there's going to be a list of cards you can get specifically for travel points, travel miles, and you'll use those points to basically redeem or transfer to airlines or hotel brands for your vacation. You also want to sign up for all the airline loyalty programs, all the hotel programs. Go ahead and open an Excel sheet, because you're going to need it, and it's free. It's always free, you just plug in the email. If you don't want their fucking marketing crap, just unsubscribe. Scroll all the way down to your email and you'll see a little unsubscribe button. Click that. They won't bother you ever again. So just get used to doing that. That way you don't have a lot of junk or promotion shit crap in your inbox. So you'll want to get an Excel sheet, have all your membership numbers, what airline, what hotel, all your membership numbers in one place. Make it easy to find, bookmark it. So you have the credit card, you have your airline and hotel accounts, membership accounts. So now's the accumulating points, right? Don't overspend your budget, don't overthink it. Just do your regular spend, like, grocery shopping, utilities, anything that you can put on a card, put on a card. Do not use cash. Please do me a favor and do not use cash. We are living in a very, very different world. Don't use cash, build your credit, get your points. It's free if you're going to spend the amount that you're already going to spend anyways. Let's say you're gonna go out and spend $100 on dining. Instead of paying cash, you put it on a card and you get X amount of points. When it doesn't cost you a thing, it actually costs the merchant. So you don't pay any fees. Anything that requires a charge, like a 3% fee on it, do think about the specific charge you're putting on your card, because if it's at 3%, you might either break even or lose money, basically. So anytime that it's free for you to use your credit card, do that to accumulate points. And pay attention to sign-up bonuses, because sign-up bonuses are the majority of the points you're gonna get. You'll see some of these lucrative offer, like 100,000 points if you spend $4,000 in the next 3 months, which, let's say you have a big spend coming up. If you have like maybe a wedding coming up or a big vacation coming up or family reunion, whatever it is, if you have a big chunk that you have to pay for something coming up, keep that in mind so that it's easy for you to hit the minimum spend without going over budget, because you're gonna spend that money anyways, right? Earn miles through everyday spending, groceries, gas, utility bills, right? Anything that you normally spend on and you can put on a card, put it on a card. Unless there's a surcharge for using your card, like a 3% fee or whatever it is, then you gotta do a little math, a little baby math to see if it makes sense to put on the card or not. Otherwise, always use your card. We can get technical really quick and put specific purchases on specific cards. I'm not trying to overwhelm you, okay? But like, let's say you have a grocery card that gives you extra points on groceries. You're gonna wanna use that card for groceries. Duh. Put stickers on your card to help you memorize it. Use an Excel sheet, whatever you gotta do. It's literally a whole game. What I would do is sit down and see what your monthly expenses are, and then get the card that will maximize that type of expense or utility or whatever it is. Like, for example, if you spend mostly on groceries, I'd get the Amex Gold card. The Amex Gold card gives a 4x on grocery spending. If you pay for rent at all, I would do Bilt. Have you ever heard of Bilt? B-I-L-T. They give you points for paying rent and it doesn't cost you a dime more. Wild. But then again, they have no sign-up bonuses, so there's that. It's a give and take. But if you're spending like $4,000 or whatever on rent, it's not gonna hurt. You know, or 2,000, whatever, it's not gonna hurt. It's free points at the end of the day. Just be mindful, don't overspend. Okay, take advantage of sign-up bonuses. So credit card sign-up bonuses are the fastest way to get points, right? Because of the lucrative offers sometimes. You'll get a lot of shitty offers. Do not get too excited about these shitty offers, okay? You got standards. Okay, you're not for everybody. So make sure when you're signing up for the card that it's like optimal sign-up bonus. Like for most people, 60 to 80% of the people, 60 to 80% of your points will be accumulated via subs, sign-up bonuses. So you'll have to meet the minimum spend within X amount of months in order to get the points. So just because you sign up for the card, if you don't meet the minimum spend, you don't access that 100,000 points or whatever the bonus, sign-up bonus is. There are lots of other ways to earn points, but this is definitely not super beginner friendly. So I'm gonna leave it there. If you wanna see more, if you wanna hear more about the extra ways to get points, go on my blog. There should be an article on how to double dip, triple dip, and get more points for your spend. Okay, and then after all that accumulating, right, it's gonna maybe take you a whole year to get X amount of points. And if you have a P2, which is a player 2, a spouse, a partner, whatever, whoever lives with you, you can refer them, because when you refer friends or family, you refer somebody, you get also points on top of that. So it's just a lot of points. And then point redemption is a whole nother animal. And that's gonna be a separate video, because redemption is where a lot of people, even the pros, have a hard time with. But trust me, just start there. Do it today. Do it today. Open all the accounts, because certain accounts, for example, British Airways requires that you have your account open for, I forgot, was it 30 or 60 or 90 days, X amount of days before you can transfer and redeem your points. So that's why I'm saying whatever you're interested in, open the account, get the membership number and leave it there, put it in an Excel sheet so that's ready to go whenever you're ready to go and redeem them. So if you want more tips, if you want more deals, go on my blog, check out my channel. There will be lots of information there. We post deals on my blog weekly, and subscribe to the newsletter so you're always in the know. And let me know in the comments what you actually want to know more of, because there's just too much in my brain sometimes. And I would rather just answer your questions instead of trying to figure out what I should talk about when it comes to the points and miles world. But yeah, some of my favorite redemptions of all time is ANA The Room, and then Qatar Q Suites, Emirates Business. Actually, I take that back. Emirates first. Like Emirates Game Changer was fucking cool. And these flights, mind you, are like $13,000, some stuff like that. I don't pay for these flights. I don't pay. I am an economy girl, okay? I'm an economy gal. This is not my tax bracket.